Hi everyone! Today we are going to make this beautiful Independence Day paper lantern using our printable template. Let's get started. First, color your lantern design. Next, cut out the strap piece. We'll use this later to make the lantern handle, so keep it safe. Now, take your lantern page and fold it in half vertically, making sure the design stays on the outside. Carefully cut equal size strips. You can also use the other version with guided lines. Make sure you do not cut all the way to the edges. Stop at the border lines so your lantern stays together. Open your paper back up. Gently roll it into a lantern shape so the two short edges meet. You'll start to see the lantern form. Applying glue along one short edge, then press it onto the other edge to form a cylinder shape. Hold it for a few seconds so it sticks properly. Now take the strap piece. Glue or staple it to the top inside edges of the lantern, and that creates your handle. And that's it. Your paper lantern is ready. Hang it up and decorate your home or classroom for 4th of July.